So next what I want to do is I want to look at a section through here, and I want you guys to cut a different section, but in this case I'm going to cut one that is going to go through here, looking to my left. So I've got my cube here aligned with it. So where that section cut is going to be is right through here. And if I look at it from the top, it's going to go through there, and then it's going to come down here as well. So much like when we are drawing our plan, there is no time where we can actually see that section. So we're using our imagination. And if I want to place it here as well, so I have to orient my cube this way, and so that section is going to be cut through here. So it's important that you understand the relationship between these drawings and how they kind of intersect with each other, right? So over here, if I were to imagine looking at this, so to start with, and I'm going to start with my pencil, I'm going to draw a 4x4 square here, right? Now I have a solid sort of upper and lower expanse here that's going all the way across. And if I look there, I've also got a hole right there. So I'm going to start to add my line weights to this. So similar to before when we were creating a profile, so this is going to be our intermediate line weight because we have a three-dimensional depth of space. But here, this is a section cut, not a plan cut, but it's a section cut. But this should read similarly to our plan cut. And so again, that will be our heaviest line weight on the drawing. And then I'm going to, just for consistency, I'm going to come back here and I'm going to add my hatch or poche to the drawing. And now you have a section. So I want you guys to identify a section at a different location to cut through here.